If your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus is not recognizing your Bluetooth device, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just make sure that your Bluetooth device is fully charged and it is turned on. Most of the time this issue appears when people try to connect a Bluetooth device with their iPhones and they are not even charged or turned on. Now if this did not fix your issue, then go to Settings and tap on Bluetooth. Now if you have connected your Bluetooth device before, under the My Devices section, it will show the name of your Bluetooth device. Just tap on the eye icon in front of the name of your Bluetooth device and select Forget this device. Tap on Forget device, then go to your home screen. Now from here, just do a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. And once the force restart process is completed, just try to connect your Bluetooth device with your iPhone. If this did not fix your issue, then go to Settings and tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset Network Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset Network Settings. Now, by resetting the network settings, you will not delete any data of your iPhone. It will just reset all the network settings, including the Bluetooth settings. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then the last thing you can do is just go to Settings and tap on Bluetooth. And from here, just turn off and turn on the Bluetooth on your iPhone around 15 to 20 times, and this will fix your issue. Sometimes turning off and turning on the Bluetooth of the iPhone fixes the issue. So just do that until the issue is fixed on your iPhone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.